Hello, today we're talking about Joy Token. It's finally a new online gambling cryptocurrency system that is trusted globally. As you can see here as a breaking news, there we can see the message that this project is backed by a Node Capital sister company to Huobi. It's the third largest crypto exchange in the world. On the main panel you will see that we have about 10 different languages that are available for those who wants to choose one of them, but we'll stay on the English version on this side. So we see the structure of the information that is shown here. So we can see the details of token structure, roadmap, white paper, platform, blog, affiliate program, team, frequent asked questions, and others. And if you need to know more about the project and to follow all the news concerning this platform, you can join the communities in Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Bitcoin Talk forums, and others. Here, if you join this project right now, and you can get your 50% discount now, and you can also join to the team that consists of more than 19,000 people. In order to do this, you have just to enter your email address and press the button Get Offer Now. So further you see that here is a video that shows the principles of working on this platform. So the main idea of this platform was that the following: if you are a gamer or a game developer, you have some problems, you encounter some problems when you try to accomplish your project and to make it bring you some cash, some money. But this platform was created in order to help three parties of this process. I mean developers, gamers, and small and medium entrepreneurs that can make money interacting in the frame of these projects. So if you join this project, you can see that this platform really helps to develop games and helps also developers to accomplish all the projects that were created just virtually, but now they can be done in real way. Below you see the principles of working on this platform. So here are some participants of this process. Here are regulators, operators, A, B, and others. Here is a developer and process of certification. So as we see here, the developing games in the gambling industry can be very difficult, and it may take a too long time, and especially when it is confronted with a low revenue share, with the regulatory requirements and integrating your games in the big game providers backend. And this means that if you join this platform, the current business model of traditional developers isn't reaching all potential players, but this project can help solve all these problems just in order to release the millennials to have an access to many other programs and games which may be more attractive and more trustworthy. They have a high level of transparency, and the vision of the project looks the following. They provide smarter games for smarter players, and this means that Joy Token is committed to deliver smarter games to existing and new casino players by giving innovative and creative game developers easy access to operators in one-stop solution. So The game integration and hosting is very simple because this platform has its own platform and have a tested game development system. Payments go straight to developer's bank account, and all relevant regulatory and compliance requirements will be taken care by the whole team of the project, and it means that instant access to market via own online casino sites such as Play Cosmo Casino, which is licensed in the UK, Malta and Curacao, and allows developers to test their games before general release to other operators' websites. And this process was simplified, was made more transparent, and helps to the participants of all this process be more protected, because all the deals are protected by blockchain technology, and they plan to go to the another Ethereum standard. Right now they have just ERC20, but later they plan to use another technology. But anyway, this will allow them to stay more protected, because when you use this technology and send your funds to the other user, and if you meet some problems in transferring your funds, this means that if you make something wrong, you may lose all your funds. But when they will implement another standard of Ethereum technology, this means that they will help you to get your funds back, so you will be protected financially. And here you can see some of the games which were developed in this frame, and here are some advantages of the project. So concerning regulatory affairs, no compliance issues, capital games, blockchain integration, game developers, smart games, market access, and others. And if only you work as a small developer, but you also have to join this project, because you can test other games and your own games before a general release to the other operators, casino websites, and so you can earn some cash using your skills and knowledges. And here you can see why you have to trust to this process, because they have best token practices. They also have unique proposition and size of market. Here is a number of $50 billion, and this decentralized ecosystem will lead this market for years to come. And they have unique operational system that has started in January of 2018, and Joy tokens can be utilized for gaming purposes. Here is the way the roadmap of the project looks. As you can see here, it has started in June of the last year. It was operation and Silas when $500,000 were collected as a seed funding, and right now we are here in this point when token sale has to come, and by the August of this year there will be technical solutions solved, such as expansion into fixed odds table games and integration to more platforms and direct operations. Here is the team of the project. So the founder is Andrew McDonald and others. Also you see here advisors of the project. All of them can be found in LinkedIn social network. And if you need to know more, you have to go to the section of frequently asked questions. Here is information about token structure. As you see here, right now the pre-sale stage is running, and it will be ended on the 19th of March. And after this, the next day, after this, on the 20th of March, by the 19th of April, there will be token sale stage, and tokens will be distributed as follows. 20% of all the tokens will be sold on pre-sale stage, 30% will be sold on token sale stage, 10% will be distributed for rewards pool, 23% will be sold on the platform, 12% will be frozen for the founding team for 3 years vesting period, and 3% for ambassadors, and 2% for token sale bounties. As for the funds use, they will be distributed as shown here. 40% for partnership, 30% for development, 15% for operations, 10% for marketing, and 5% for legal and security affairs. In total, there will be released 700 million Joy token coins, and the role of token is the following. They have to enable access to Joy gaming, to protocol, purchase of games, development API, wagering in regulated countries, and the price of token is the following: 20 cents per 1 Joy token. The hard cap is this 406. I'm sorry. 46 and $340 million, and the soft cap is $1 million. And all the currencies that will be accepted to participate or to invest into this project are Ethereum, Bitcoins, and wire transfer. Token distribution date is here after the 19th of April. And no new tokens will be created if some amount of tokens is not sold during these stages. They will be transferred to another stage, to the next stage. Here is the discount rate. As you can see here on the pre-sale, the price per token is 10 cents. And you are eligible for 50% discount. On the 20th of March, you will be eligible to receive 30% of discount, and the more the less. So the later you join to this project, the less discount you get. And there will be, and the price of the token will be increased later. Here you can see that the platform is registered on Belize, and this means that you can join this project anytime if you are a real fan of online gaming, and if you can develop any online games, you can join this project and receive your cash into your bank account using wire transfer. So it looks very delicious, very attractive. So I hope we will soon hear from this project. Thank you for attention. See you next time.